It's a common misconception that if there were, in fact, billions of years for life to evolve, that the length of that time, which is mind-bogglingly long, few of us live to 100 years, right? So this is much, much longer, that the Earth has been around and that life has been around. It's a common misconception that somehow takes care of the improbability of life happening accidentally. Most of us are not mathematically inclined, so we don't know how to do the math of probabilities, and we don't know how to find out whether 5 billion years is plenty of time for a firefly to happen by accident. It turns out if you do the math, you find out that billions of years is nowhere close to being enough time for these things to happen by accident. There isn't enough matter in the universe or time in the universe for anything like life to have happened by accident. I argue, actually, you don't need to do the math because we all intuit this automatically anyway. The 4-year-old's not doing probability calculations when he or she looks at a butterfly and knows that that was made by God. And yet they're right. It turns out that the sort of coincidence that would be needed for something like that to happen by accident, a living thing to happen by accident, is so far beyond the sorts of coincidences that actually do happen. We see coincidences happen, it's a real thing, but they're very, very minor. And when we look at something living, we know that this is way beyond what could happen by chance.